In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to get TradingView chart on Exness mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and open your Exness account and click on trade. You can have a demo or a real account. It's the same thing. So click on trade. And as you can see here, this is the default chart on Exness, as you can see on mobile. So to get the TradingView chart, all you have to do is click on this gear icon here. Scroll down a little bit and you will see here chart preferences and you will see chart Exness. Click on it and you will see here TradingView as you can see. So click on it like this. Let's go back. And as you can see, we have now the TradingView chart. As you can see here, this is from TradingView. Okay, you have here all the tools you want. In that set. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.